Hi, I am Andrea. I am in cohort 5 of the MSEI program at USC Marshall. I am originally from Peru and I'm co-founder of Inkari.
Hi, I'm Bree. I'm a Los Angeles native. I know we don't really exist, but here I am. And I'm also co-founder of Inkari and with cohort 5 in the MSEI program. USC is always the school I wanted to go to, and when I looked at all the other programs, I saw this one and I just knew it was practical and hands-on, and it stuck true to the word because that's all we do is hands-on, and it's really great.
Yeah, for me I chose this program because of the curricula, the professors, and the network it gives. The Trojan Network is something that has really helped us a lot in our venture.
For me, I just really wanted to meet a bunch of people that were like-minded, and that was one of the biggest expectations I had, that my cohort would be just as ambitious and just as wanting to go out and do things as I am, and it's definitely the case, so that was one of my biggest expectations.
And same here too. Luckily I met my co-founder and well, here we are. So Inkari is a plant-based products company, basically focusing on spreads and cheeses.
So Andrea's from Peru, and she found this amazing product that we originally, when she brought it to me and she told me in the class about it, we wanted to bring it in. And then after we did the customer discovery process, which is our first semester in our core class here at MSEI, we realized that that wasn't really a good idea and it wouldn't really be feasible. So what we ended up doing throughout the customer discovery process is realizing that plant-based cheeses and spreads were really the way to go to turn this commodity into something that people wanted.
So one thing I've learned in the program is the ability of not think a lot about something and just go into things.
One thing I've learned is it's not about what you know, and it's also not about who you know, but how you leverage both. Come in ready to work and have something that you are really passionate about that you want to do. Don't just stick to the cohort, go outside of the MSEI cohort and meet people from the MBA program, from the marketing program, because there's so many smart, skilled, and interesting people on campus, and if you just stick to the people you know, you're never going to meet them.
Leverage all USC resources. All other Marshall clubs that I am in have helped me a lot with combining both worlds. Hopefully we'll expand to more plant-based products such as protein powders, protein bars, vegan meals in general, and we'll see.
Bring other Peruvian superfoods to America.
Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram. Hashtag.
Hashtag Inkari.
At Inkari Superfoods.